Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yep, this is the 42.
Great, how much is the fare?
$2.50. Exact change, sorry.
Oh, I only have a 10. Do you know where I can get change?
There's a store right over there, if you're quick.
Thanks, I'll be right back. Here you go, $2.50. Okay, got it. Also, which stop should I get off at for the library?
Get off at Central Avenue. It's the 4th stop.
Perfect, thank you so much.
No problem. I'll let you know when we get there.
Hello, everyone. Welcome in today's deep dive.
Hi, everyone.
Our mission today is, well, we are looking at a real-life situation, taking the bus for the very first time.
Right. It can be, a very stressful situation for a lot of people.
It really can. So, to start, we are going to quickly read a dialogue. It's from our source text, just a short conversation between a passenger and a bus driver.
Sounds good.
So, I will be the passenger, and you will be the driver.
Okay, I'm ready.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yep, this is the 42.
Great. How much is the fare?
$2.50. Exact change, sorry.
Oh, I only have a 10. Do you know where I can get change?
There's a store right over there if you're quick.
Thanks, I'll be right back. Okay, here you go, $2.50. Also, which stop should I get off at for the library?
Get off at Central Avenue. It's the 4th stop.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
No problem. I'll let you know when we get there.
Okay, let's unpack this.
Yeah, let's do it.
There is some really useful vocabulary here. The passenger used these words to navigate the situation. And I think we should start with the biggest problem.
Paying the fare.
Exactly. The driver said exact change.
Right. Exact change. This is a very important phrase. It simply means having the exact coins or bills needed to pay. You pay the money without needing any money back.
I like to think of it like a puzzle piece.
Oh, that's a good way to look at it.
Right, because it must fit perfectly. You can't have extra pieces.
Yeah.
So if the bus is $2.50 and I give $3, is that exact change?
No, it is not.
Okay.
Because you gave too much.
Yeah.
An everyday example of exact change would be, paying for a $2 coffee with exactly two $1 bills.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
But in our story, the passenger didn't have exact change.
Right. They had a $10 bill.
So they used our second phrase. They asked where to get change.
Get change. This just means breaking a large bill, like a $10 bill,
Yeah.
into smaller bills or coins.
And here's where it gets really interesting. Because the driver can't do this for them.
No, they can't.
The passenger actually has to leave the bus to do this.
Exactly. They had to go find a store. An everyday example of this is going to a store with a $20 bill.
Right.
And asking for smaller money so you can use a parking meter on the street.
Oh, yeah. Because the machine only takes small coins.
Right. You have to get change.
Well, leaving the bus creates a brand new problem.
Time.
Yes, time. The bus is waiting, and this leads directly to the driver's warning. The driver says, if you're quick.
Right. And what's fascinating here is how the driver uses this condition. Basically means if you hurry or if you do something very fast.
It's like a short race against the clock.
Exactly. The driver's saying, I will wait, but not forever.
Yeah, that makes sense.
An everyday example is telling a friend they can run to the bathroom before the movie starts.
Oh, right.
But only if they're quick.
Only if they're quick. Got it. Well, the passenger was fast enough. They paid the fare, and now the journey begins.
Which brings us to the destination.
Right. The passenger asks, which stop should I get off at?
Get off at. This is a great phrase. It means to leave a bus or a train or a subway at a specific stop.
So what does this all mean for cars? Like, do we get off at a taxi?
Oh, no. No, we don't.
We don't.
No, the rule is we usually say get out of for a car.
Oh, get out. Oh, okay.
Yeah, you get out of a car.
Yeah.
But you get off at for large public transport, like a bus or a train.
I see.
So an everyday example is telling someone to get off at the central station when they ride the subway.
Perfect. So the driver tells him to get off at Central Avenue.
Yeah.
But then the driver adds one more thing. They say, I'll let you know.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'll let you know. This is a very polite and common way to say, I will tell you. Like, I will tell you when the right time comes.
I like to compare the driver to a friendly alarm clock.
A friendly alarm clock. I like that.
Right. Because they are promising to ring when it's time to act.
Exactly. You don't have to worry. An everyday example is telling a friend, I'll let you know when dinner is ready.
So they don't have to keep checking the kitchen.
Right.
Goodbye, everyone.